Get ready to dive into the world of Apple. Boy, have they been in the spotlight today, and not for just one reason, but a whole slew of them. Let's break down why everyone has been talking about Apple and what prompted the noticeable ripple effects across the tech landscape. Firstly, one of the big headlines was about Apple's shares taking a hit. Right off the bat, Apple shares have been trading lower due to the US implementing new tariffs on Chinese imports, a move that investors worry could lead to increased costs and bog down the supply chain. The Trump administration announced a 10% tariff on these goods, effective immediately, with additional duties on imports from Mexico and Canada. This has potential ripple effects, impacting prices on everyday consumer goods and increasing the cost burdens for companies, Apple included. However, it's not all doom and gloom for Apple. Despite the dip in share price, BofA securities analyst Wamsi Mohan maintained a positive outlook with a buy rating and a target price of $265. Mohan highlighted Apple's ability to dodge major issues by possibly shifting more of its manufacturing away from China to countries like India and Vietnam. Plus, the buzz surrounding the upcoming iPhone upgrade cycle and the rollout of Gen AI features offers a glimmer of excitement for future profitability. There's also the speculation that the current US administration might ease up on regulatory pressures affecting Apple and Google's cases with the Department of Justice. Speaking of competition dynamics, there's been quite an insightful comparison of Apple against its hardware competitors. While Apple's price-to-earnings, price-to-book, and price-to-sales ratios suggest a mixed valuation picture, their return on equity and EBITDA are soaring compared to industry averages, pointing towards robust financial health. In short, Apple's finances are looking sturdy, enabling them to maintain their dominance despite the slow growth observed compared to industry heavyweights. Now, onto some exciting product news. Apple is gearing up for a major spring blowout with launches expected in March 2025. We're talking about a new iPhone SE 4, pitched to get quite the makeover, a new M4 MacBook Air, and an upgraded iPad Air. There's also chatter about their first smart home device with a display, finally taking a significant part in the home automation market. A refreshing focus on affordability and innovation marks these releases and could very well shake up the market dynamics. Finally, the Apple Watch users are voicing some dissatisfaction despite Apple's recent financial achievements. Series 10 owners are less than thrilled with the limited watch face options, prompting calls for more customization and third-party faces. However, it's impressive that even amidst user complaints, Apple managed to exceed sales expectations in their earnings report, underscoring their continual dominance in the wearables sector. That's the Apple Lowdown for today. From market turbulence to dazzling new tech products and user feedback, Apple's saga continues to enthrall investors and tech enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned for how these developments unfold and shape the market. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.